Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we have a new product install, and this isn't any specific product for the GR86, but we are installing it in this car. It is some LED lights for inside the car. But they are some great ambient lights that are little stick-on lights, so you can put them down in your footwell area or on the side of your seats, wherever you want to have a party in the car. Alright, so we went ahead and unboxed these light strips, and this is what it looks like inside the box. You got the light strips, the little controller, and the plug. It does say "Buckle up, Buttercup." And then there's some cards inside the box. One says, "Thank you for your purchase. You have 72 hours to claim your lifetime warranty." So it's pretty cool that it comes with a full lifetime warranty in case anything goes wrong. And then you can get some free stuff and exclusive deals on the back of that card. And then here's the second card in the box. It says, "Get the most out of your Vont smart car strip light," and it has some tips for you on how to install it, as well as their app where you can actually control the lights from. So pretty cool how they have that. And now here's what the lights look like out of the box. Comes with some zip ties as well if you need to use those to make it a little easier for install. And then now we're going to be testing to see if they work. Here's the moment of truth, and the lights do work. So now that we know that they work, we're going to go ahead and get them installed, test out the light buttons. So that one makes it flash, and then we got all the different light settings. There's a ton of different colors you guys can choose from, so pretty hyped about that. Alright, now that we know that they work, we're going to go ahead and install them. And there is some 3M tape on the back. If it doesn't stick, you could also use the zip ties to help you keep it up. But we're going to go ahead and see. That's how it looked like in the footwell area. What we're going to do is install them on the side of the seats to make the seats have some sort of glow effect. So it's going to look like this. We haven't done all the cable management yet, so it's still hanging out of the glove box right there. But it's an easy way to hide it is by putting it under the side of the car right there. I really like how it looks so far, and yeah. So from the top view, here's what the lights look like on the side. Obviously it's daytime, so it's a little harder to see the light, but still looks pretty cool. And then here's a closer look at what it looks like on the side of the seats. Definitely think this is the coolest place to put the lights if you guys want a cool effect in your two-door car. And then go ahead and try out all the different color settings to see what you like the most in your car. But anyway, I really like how these turned out. Definitely recommend you guys check out Vont's light strips on Amazon. I will have a link in the description down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.